So this was our do or die point. We had a mountain of framework to do in a small amount of time. It had to be structurally stable enough to drive by the end of the night, and all the way down by the end of the weekend. We bought all of the supplies ahead of time because the welding store is closed on weekends. 2 bottles of argon, 3 spools of 4043, an 80 cubic foot argon tank costs us $65 to fill, and a spool of 4043 runs around $20 each. We ran out of both by Sunday. At this point, our bottle count has gone up to 4, and our wire spool count was at 7. That's around $400 worth of welding wire and argon. So far on the frame, we've spent just over $5,500 on aluminum. The sheeting for the exterior is an additional $2,500 as well, so in total we're around $8,400. It may sound like a lot, but this is our house that we're building. We did it out of pocket, and the whole plan is to be debt-free with this build, even if it takes more time. We've been saving and selling things off and cooking at home for a while. But $8,000 is a very small price to pay for a house that you can put anywhere and move anytime you want to. Most of it was pretty repetitive, just measuring and checking our measurements on the computer and coming back and measuring again, and then using the square to make sure everything was square, and making a tack, and then making it square again, and then brushing it and welding it and making sure it's square again, and again and again and again. So many of you about right now are noticing Kiwi's doing something very wrong right now. He's welding without gloves. He also has a ring on, and this does eventually bite him. It's not pretty. If you're gonna weld, wear your personal protective gear.
So I didn't get a chance to film very much. This is how much we got done this weekend. So I pretty much did everything except for the cab over section right here. That's what I'm gonna work on right now. Cut that cab over section. And I need to cut some plates because our measurements weren't exactly perfect. And we have this kind of gap going on a lot of these pieces here.